Everybody says that their way is guaranteed, and if you do this in 24 hours, you'll have money. Most of those ways aren't going to work. What I'm going to do is tell you how wealthy people have always gotten wealthy. I want you to become a wealth magnet. Whatever you have currently is enough, but you have to begin giving of what it is that you have currently. You begin giving the ability that you have to others with your gifts and your talents. Scripture says give. When you give, what's going to happen as the byproduct, people will begin to reciprocate, and they'll want to give back to you because of your giving. It says that you give, and it shall be given to you good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over.